Hello, my name is Chen Xiaojie, and my student number is 1999026. And this is my student card. This is the short video for the course ECON323, The Economy of Contemporary China. And the video's topic is about China 2030, building a modern, harmonious, and creative high-income society. As we all know, with 40 years of successful development since the reform and opening up, China has become a middle to high income country. Now, China has reached the turning point on the development. In the next decade, the opportunities and challenges China will face will be very different from those in the past. So a new development strategy is needed. In this circumstance, China has set an ultimate goal, which is to build a modern, harmonious, and creative high-income society by 2030. Now, I'll explain the exact meanings of these words and also illustrate with some typical examples. The first one is modern society. A modern society is an industrialized and urbanized society that enjoys a good life quality comparable to developed countries. It should have modern values, modern economies and social structures, and also advanced modern industry and technology. The opportunity that helps China to become a modern society is that China's industrialization has been successful and it has mastered the basic network technology. Take China's 5G industry as an example. China is now the leader in the 5G industry. The three major operators, which are China Mobile, China Unicom, and China Telecom, are preparing to build 200,000 5G base stations each, which can totally add up to 600,000 5G base stations. However, the United States, Europe, and Japan all add up to 30,000 5G base stations currently planned to be built, the sum of which is 1/20 of China. And it's estimated that the total of China's manufacturing industry will exceed half of the world's by 2030. And China can be a totally modern society at that time. Then comes to the harmonious society. A harmonious society includes three interrelated goals in China. The first one, systems and policies are fair and inclusive. Economic and social barriers have been removed. All people have equal rights in the country's economic, social, legal, and political systems. China hopes to become the society in which people respect each other and resolve differences in a fair and peaceful manner through commonly accepted senses, laws, regulations, and practices. And also, the institutional structure can be quickly adapted to the changing social needs and desires. The second one is to live in balance with nature. Under the current technological conditions, the utilization of resources and generation of waste is in line with the carrying capacity of the land, water, and air resources in the country and the world at the current technological level. And the third one is to become an equal, constructive partner in the international community, work towards a common goal cooperatively, and participate in global issues and institutions constructively. Then the creative society. As a creative society, China has recognized that future prosperity is based on innovation so that everyone's creative potential can be realized. China's success will depend on the ability to create more value, not just the ability to produce more products, but to use this ability to shift to the high end of the value chain, and compete globally with developed countries in the same product space. Also, the creativity should not be limited to products and technology, but also includes culture, art, and other fields. If successful, China's experience may also provide useful enlightenment for other middle-income countries. The last is the high-income society. As a high-income society, China's ambition is to reach the level of per capita income in developed economies, eliminate poverty, and also reduce inequalities in the economic and social fields. I've done some research and found that China was about to maintain a 4% or 6% of GDP growth rate annually from this year to 2030. Then plus the 2% to 3% of the inflation rates, the annual growth rate at variable prices is about 8% to 9%. Let's be conservative at 8%. And we can see that the RMB has embarked on an appreciation cycle this year from the charts. So we need to plus the 2% of the exchange rate adjustments. And then the annual growth rate of China's GDP in US dollar is about 10%. Then analyze the GDP growth rate of the United States. The real growth rate in the United States is about 2% annually, and then plus the 2% of inflation rate, which is 4%. According to this calculation, China's GDP will surpass that of the United States in about 5 years. And in 10 years, which is in 2030, China's nominal GDP is about 130% of that of the United States. And the real GDP in terms of purchasing power can be nearly 200% of that of the United States, which is twice as much as that of the United States. So by 2030, it's very possible for China to become the world's largest economy if China achieves its goal of becoming a high-income society. Compared with today, China's economy in 2030 will be more complicated. It will be market-driven, knowledge-centric, and service-oriented. China will have a deeper and more stable financial markets, which can lay the foundation for capital account liberalization and also for RMB to become a widely accepted international reserve currency. So it's very likely for China to build a modern, harmonious, and creative society in 2030. And that's the end of this video. These are all the references I've used. Thanks for watching.